Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to make a mouth-watering pineapple soufflé. This dessert is not only easy to make but also incredibly tasty. Definitely a must-try. Let's get started. I'm starting by adding peeled and chopped pineapple to a pan. Add a quarter cup of sugar to the chopped pineapple and combine them well. Allow the water from the pineapple to evaporate. Once the water has evaporated from the pineapple, turn off the flame. Now, let's prepare the jelly. I'm soaking some China grass in water. Melt the China grass. Pour the melted China grass into a container to set. After it has set, cut it into small cubes. Let's proceed to prepare the soufflé by adding 250 milliliters of fresh cream to a clean bowl. Add 3/4 tin of condensed milk. Mix until well combined. Add the pineapple. Add the jelly that we prepared earlier. Mix everything together. This dessert is incredibly easy to make, ready in just 10 minutes, and absolutely delicious. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed. It's mouth-watering and sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.